Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by making a slip knot and chaining the number of stitches your pattern calls for. This matters because chain count sets your gauge. Once done, check tension. Too loose makes a gap, too tight prevents joining. Make a note whether you'll join into the first chain's front loop, back bump, or the whole stitch. Then move the hook to the first chain. You're ready to form the initial join. Keep motions deliberate so your chain stays even. Now, insert the hook into the top of the first chain using the placement you chose. This controls how visible the seam will be. Yarn over, pull through to get 2 loops on the hook, then yarn over again and pull through both loops to make a slip stitch. This closes the round. If you prefer an invisible join, work the last stitch differently or use a tapestry needle to sew. Make sure to count and align your stitches so rows stay consistent. To finish, cut the yarn leaving a 6 to 8 centimeter tail and pull it through the final loop to fasten off. This secures the join. Then use a tapestry needle to weave that tail through several nearby stitches, hiding and locking it in place. Block the piece if the seam needs smoothing. If you notice a gap at the join, retry with a smaller hook or work the first stitch into the back bump. This typically closes holes without changing stitch count.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.